fresh from Walmart, and I have purchased groceries for the next week because I foresee, you know, first of all, our first, like the 2-week lockdown situation started this week. So next week I may or may not be working from home again, but either way, we were running out of breakfast foods and like some little snacks and whatnot. So I went ahead and picked up some items. So I picked up these Naked Mighty Mango drinks. I absolutely love these. They are a little on the high side for calories and carbs, 68 carbs, but it's kind of life because because fruits just naturally have a lot of sugars in them. So anyway, picked up 2 of those. I got some bread, yes, the great value kind, because what else would I purchase? And I purchased some hot dogs. So as you guys know, you should have seen you should have seen our grill already. So my husband was talking about how he wanted to put some steaks on the grill, so I picked up some New York strips and some more hot dogs, the bun size ones. And then that's why I have the hot dog buns, so we can get on the grill. So this week, a lot of things were canceled. My hair appointment, which I'm upset about, but what can you do? Our housewarming and something else was canceled. So basically, we had purchased the grill and everything so we could have a cookout when our friends and everybody got here. But it's basically just gonna be me and Hubs cooking out. And we've already been cooking out anyway, so we're gonna throw those things on the grill. I picked up some cookies, which I'm pretty sure it's been years since I purchased cookies that you bake. And then I picked up cinnamon rolls. Sometimes we'll have these for breakfast. And then as well as bacon and eggs or something. And then I picked up some more biscuits. Some bacon, of course, and some sausage because you need both of them. And then bananas because I do like to snack on bananas. Also some Parquet butter spray. And some more milk for my husband. And pepperoni for me because I live for pepperoni. I also live for Moscato. And this is strawberry. So I thought this would be cool. So I picked that up at Walmart. And then we love the Ruffles cheddar and sour cream chips with the French onion dip for whatever reason. So picked up that. Also some Frosted Flakes for my husband. And then and then some Cookie Crisp, possibly for me. But if I don't really, I haven't had Cookie Crisp in years because I'm not really like a big cereal person. But if I don't like it, my husband surely will eat it. So possibly for me, possibly for him. I picked up some Bud Light for my husband and also some sparkling water for me because this is basically my primary drinks. I pretty much always have LaCroix on deck. That's my alarm because I have a 3 o'clock appointment. And then you guys, I did pick up like some homey stuff. Let's move over here. So from Walmart, I actually picked up this hover cover because I was finding that I was cleaning the microwave more than what I really wanted to. So this is actually what first drew me to like the section and getting all the other things that I got. So yeah, I got this hover cover as seen on TV. It has a magnetic microwave splatter guard, which I think is at the top. I think this is the magnetic situation. So anyway, BPA free and whole bunch of other stuff. So this is going to be super helpful. So I'm going to clean this, of course, and pop that in the microwave. I'm super excited for this because, like I said, cleaning the microwave was just a whole lot. So because I was in that aisle, I did go ahead and pick up some microwave plates and bowls. So 2 each, one for me, one for my husband. And this is going to help us so much with like heating up leftovers and stuff, and when we are using the microwave, because all of our plates and bowls are they're microwave safe. However, they're just so hot after microwaving them. So anyway, I feel like this is gonna make that, you know, much easier for your girl and your boy. And then also because I was there, I picked up this bacon rack. So I do sometimes cook bacon in the microwave, and I was doing it for the first time the other day, and it was just a little stressful. So because I was in that aisle, I was like, let me go ahead and pick up this because hopefully this works out well. We're gonna see. I'm a little worried though because usually I feel like my bacon might hang off of this. I guess we'll have to see because normally my bacon, I feel like all my bacon strips are much longer than this. Well, maybe not. maybe not. It must be the average size of a piece of bacon because it seems like it's gonna fit in here. We'll have to see. And then one of the other things that I picked up was this game. So this is gonna be for my husband and me to play, or, you know, for anybody whenever things go back to normal. Ages 17 plus, players 3 to 20 plus, time 30 to 90 minutes. Not to worry, we always make all games work for us, even though there's only 2 of us and most games require like 3 or 4, we will still make this work. So this is just a board game that I picked up while at Walmart. And then the best thing, the best thing that I picked up these flowers. So they're white. I don't really know. Let's see. Oh, they're mini carns, whatever that is. I'm not really sure. But I've never purchased myself flowers. I don't think I've ever even gotten flowers ever in my life. My husband maybe has purchased me flowers, but I'm not really big on flowers. Well, I wasn't previously, but now I find myself like interested in plants and stuff. You know, I have 3 plants now. So I figured I would put these in my vase back here. During this time specifically, that's kind of what drew me to it, because this time is not really working out for your girl. I'm struggling through it, so I figured some flowers would be a nice, you know, lively touch to the kitchen. So it says fill a clean container with the flower food provided. Oh Lord. Add 1 quart of lukewarm water and mix together. Cut 1 to 2 inches off the bottom of the stems. Place bouquet inside the container. Whew, okay, let's do this. Okay, so this is the vase that we're gonna have to use. This was originally $29.99 from At Home, but I actually got it for like next to nothing. I mean, this was like a few dollars. So I think it would be smart to take off this sticker before we fill it up. I'm not the sharpest crayon in the box, but I feel like that would be a good idea. So we are going to do that first. I actually have this formula called Undo. I use it for like my stickers and whatnot, but it would be perfect for this because it helps to easily remove anything that has some kind of like adhesive backing. So like stickers or shipping labels or sticker paper or whatever the case is. But that's upstairs and I'm not trying to do all that, so we're just gonna take it off right here. Okay, so again, fill a clean container with the flower food provided. This, okay, I have no idea what this even is. First of all, let me see if I want to put this down in here. I do. Okay. Okay, so I have, you can't really see, but I have the flower food down there, which isn't much. And then they want me to add 1 quart of lukewarm water. Hey Alexa, how many cups in a quart?
1 quart is 4 cups.
There is 2 cups and 4 cups. Cut 1 to 2 inches off the bottom of the stems. Place bouquet inside the container. So I don't really see the significance in cutting. Okay. Let's cut 1 inch off. I mean, I'm sure they're all going to be falling apart at some point. You guys, I've never done anything at all with flowers. So this is my first time. Okay, now let's put it where I want it to go. Okay, so there is my little bouquet. Again, just trying to add a little life in here. It could use some work, but I actually have a call that I have to get to, so I will work on this later. And of course, if it looks much different, then I will pop on here and share that with you guys. But for the most part, this is my new bouquet. I also took out my little fake flowers and made a little mini bouquet with the leftovers. While he is doing his thing and I am still sweaty, I am actually going to hit my husband's man cave and then I think our bedroom too. And then that's gonna be it for me for today. So I've already stocked his little refrigerator and collected beer cans. So there's really not much for me to do. I'm just gonna wipe everything down, put everything in order, and light a candle. I'm gonna be using my Whole Life, a cordless vacuum cleaner, and some Comment multi-surface spray cleaner, and then like some off-brand Febreze. So some fabric refreshener. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and I'll check in with you guys in a minute. Okay, I am finished in here. I just wiped down everything. I do need to bring up some snacks and kind of restock. I did put the beer in here, of course, but I normally put some snacks in here. So that's pretty much it for this room. Like I said, I wiped down everything, vacuumed, all that good stuff, and now he's ready to rock and roll. Oh, and these are all the things that I confiscated. Not much. This is just something else. So I am going to tidy up this area, aka put stuff where it's supposed to be, and that's pretty much, and make the bed, and that's pretty much all she wrote for this. That's all she's gonna write for this area. So let's get to it. All right, my job here is done. Still trying out the whole gold situation. I think I like it. I don't know if I mentioned in the video, but this is technically supposed to be hung vertically, so it also kind of would look good over there. Anyway, I think I am loving the gold. That's kind of the main the main objective here, is to see that if I love the gold, and I definitely do. Anyway, Sharky is cleaning, and interestingly enough, he actually can go under the bed, so that's just like luck, because the bed is pretty low, but not low enough to where he can't go under it. So he's cleaning the floors. I am trying to get up something off the floor, so I'm using this 409 carpet spot and stain remover. This is like OG stuff. See, he fits right under, super cool. So yeah, here's the bedroom. I have a candle lit, and I also have a teddy bear on the bed, which may look childish, but my sister actually recently sent that for me. It's from Build-A-Bear, and it actually has a message from my mom. It smells like my mom because she drenched it in my mom's perfume, but I still have one of my mom's perfumes anyway, so either way, the little bear was probably going to end up smelling like her. And what else does the bear have going for it? So it has a message from her. It smells like her. And there's something else the bear had. I'm trying to let y'all know in case y'all might want to do this for a relative who has lost a loved one or not. It's still a pretty cool idea. Oh, wait. Well, it has two messages from my mom. One that was specifically for me, and one that's just like a random one that was for the general public, I guess, because it was from her Facebook. I forgot, there's something else about it. Oh, I think the feet, I think that's the thing. The feet are red because that was her favorite color. So anyway, that's why I have this little bear. It's so cute. So I've just been leaving it here. Eventually, I'll probably put it up because it looks kind of creepy. Eventually I'll probably put it up because I want to preserve it and keep it for the rest of my days, and I don't want it to be all dirty and dusty and dingy. But for right now, I'm going to keep it on my bed. So yeah, the sitting area still looks like nothing, so there's really not much to see here. I do have those lamps over there, but yeah, this is pretty much the focal point of the room. Those are all the things that were confiscated because I need to put those in their proper places, like put the cleaning supplies up, which is a good bit of that. And the rest of it is pretty much needs to go in the guest closet, like in the toiletries closet, the guest toiletries closet, and then a lot of it is to be donated. Okay, you guys, so I am ending this vlog here. Be sure to stay safe, wash your hands, follow what officials say, all of that good stuff. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.